Have you been hitting the gym hard but still don't see the balanced, sculpted look you're aiming for? Here's what's really holding you back from achieving that aesthetic physique everyone's after. Building an aesthetic body isn't about piling on as much muscle as possible. It's about balance, proportion, and a bit of a mindset shift. We're going beyond basic workouts and looking at exactly what it takes to shape each muscle group with precision, target weak spots, and dial in your diet so that every muscle looks defined. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact steps to go from just working out to building a physique that actually turns heads. Here's the thing. A lot of people assume that just lifting weights and eating protein will eventually lead to an impressive, balanced body. But if you've been at it for a while, you know that's not quite how it works. Most people focus on big lifts or just aim to gain mass, but they skip over the details that actually make muscles pop and give that coveted aesthetic look. And that's where we come in. In this video, we're tackling 3 big challenges that can keep people from their goals. First, a lack of specific muscle targeting knowledge. Second, mistakes in diet and recovery that can slow down muscle definition and growth. And third, mental roadblocks that keep you from the consistency and precision this kind of training requires. An aesthetic body doesn't just mean big muscles. We're talking about a balanced, proportionate look. Broad shoulders, defined core, strong but lean legs, and arms that don't overpower the rest of your body. For some, it means getting that V-taper, broad shoulders, narrow waist, and a lean, athletic look that's not overly bulky. Explain why some popular workouts and training philosophies don't always produce this result and how training for balance is different. To build an aesthetic physique, you'll need to master specific exercises that are time-tested for both strength and shape. We're talking about exercises that prioritize control, full range of motion, and isolation. Here are some must-haves. Deadlifts. The deadlift is a go-to for building that powerful, athletic look. When done right, deadlifts strengthen the back, core, glutes, and even the hamstrings. But form is crucial here. It's not about lifting the heaviest weight you can, but rather performing the lift with full control to target each muscle. Barbell back squats. Squats are essential for a balanced lower body. They add muscle to the legs, which is key for symmetry. A strong lower body helps create that solid, grounded look that balances the upper body, so you don't end up looking top-heavy. Dumbbell shoulder press. An aesthetic physique needs broad, defined shoulders. This exercise is one of the best for that, helping develop all 3 parts of the shoulder. Go for lighter weights and higher reps to keep the muscles lean and defined. Weighted pull-ups. For that iconic V-taper, pull-ups are essential. They help with back width and overall upper body strength, building the frame that adds to the aesthetic look. I will explain how to target and shape key areas: shoulders for width, lats for the V-taper, chest for that balanced look, core for definition, and legs to avoid the chicken leg look. A strong core isn't just about crunches. We're talking exercises that work the entire abdominal area, obliques, lower abs, and the deep muscles around the core that give that tight look. Biceps and triceps shouldn't overpower the forearm and shoulder, and the calves should match the quads. Talk about exercises like reverse curls and calf raises. Strength imbalances happen to everyone, so we'll cover how to identify and fix them. Techniques like unilateral exercises, single leg and single arm movements, and tempo work can help you get even strength and appearance on both sides. Protein is key, but when you eat it is just as important. Cover the basics of meal timing, with an emphasis on post-workout nutrition to repair muscles, and protein before bed to sustain growth. Healthy fats, like those in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, play a big role in keeping hormones balanced for muscle growth. It's about having just enough to support gains, but not enough to lead to fat storage. Hydration and sleep are so critical, especially since sleep is when most muscle recovery happens. No sleep, no growth. Creating an aesthetic body takes time and a certain mindset. Here's how to stay consistent and keep pushing, even when progress feels slow. Don't expect overnight results. Visualize the end goal, an aesthetic, balanced body, and focus on small progress every week. Taking progress pictures helps you stay motivated and actually see changes over time, which can be easy to overlook. Now that we've broken down each piece, here's the real magic formula for an aesthetic physique. It's not just about lifting heavy or even about eating clean. It's about combining a balanced workout routine, precise nutrition, and a commitment to developing muscle control, endurance, and symmetry. Summarize each major point briefly, so the viewer gets a recap of what they need to focus on and how it all comes together. Achieving that aesthetic look doesn't happen overnight, but it's possible when you understand the right combination of exercises, diet, and consistent dedication. We've broken down each essential part here, so you can skip the guesswork and start building a physique that looks strong, balanced, and impressive. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips like this every week.